Welcome inside the new 992 GT3 RS. I'm feeling pretty excited, is an understatement. Let's go out for a drive. Today's video is my first day driving this car. I've got it for a couple of days. I'm going to film various videos with it and just make the most of it. So today, as I said, going out for a drive. Simple as that. Getting to know the car a bit and just having some fun. Let's head up. Again, my small local mountain pass. Keep filming in the same locations, I know, but until the big mountain pass is open. This is all I have on offer, sadly. Let's put it into sport mode, into manual. Take the suspension hardness off. When you put it into sport mode, it automatically puts the suspension harder, which I do not want for this road because I know it's bumpy and pretty much only for track. So normal mode, suspension mode in a Porsche GT car is already really hard. So first of all, big thanks to Porsche Switzerland. I really do owe them a thank you because they really support me and my channel with giving me the best new Porsches out there. I did not sleep last night. I drove this home, I went to bed, and I lied there awake for most of the night because I was so excited to go drive this today. It is mental when you see it. The size of the car, the wing. There's no discrete mode in this. You have to be prepared for everyone staring, everyone filming you, everyone nearly crashing into you on the motorway because they are trying to film you while they drive. So yeah, you have a lot to think about when you drive this. Obviously, I'm going to compare it to my GT3 a bit over the next couple of days. You know, first impressions, it's not like day and night, of course, for my GT3. But the first thing I felt, like the big difference was, it just feels bigger. Even more planted to the floor, wider. Just, you know, everything turned up a notch. The buttons on the steering wheel, don't know what half of them do yet, but I will figure that out over the next couple of days. I cannot wait to start playing with the DRS. I mean, I want one of these just because I want to say to people, yeah, my car has DRS on it, which is crazy. It felt like I was getting into a road-going Formula 1 car. Sorry, probably going to be lots of me making possibly slightly sexual sounds in this car today. I feel a bit emotional about it all because I think this is the peak, you know? Well, I feel pretty sure it's the peak. I don't know where Porsche would go after this, and I know I've said that for many years. You think, how can they make a better GT3? I mean, they're not going to make another GT3 RS with even more aero on, you know? It just wouldn't make sense. So I really, really do feel like now that this is the peak. Maybe they're going to do something different. But I don't know, driving this just feels a bit special because I don't know if it's going to happen again to drive a new car like this, because who knows what's going to happen in the next couple of years. So I'm definitely just going to appreciate every moment in this. It is a really, really special experience. bit of extra power it has over my GT3, I think. I'm not sure to be exact. I should have looked. But power actually is not so important to me. I think it's like 15 more or something, you know. It does feel different power-wise, and the way it's putting the power down, I can't quite put my finger on it yet. I like to think of myself as one of the biggest GT3 fans out there. That was always my dream car. It was the car that got me excited the most. So for me especially, driving this is extra special. Window down. Here's my wall to test, not my wall, I don't own it, but the area where I test exhausts. I've got a good feeling about this one. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, yeah. Now I'm accelerating a bit. I'm starting to feel the difference from mine to this. Okay, there's something there. Yeah. Okay, that really... what is that? The way it put down the power, I can't put my finger on it. There's only one way to find out. Let's try it again. Really does feel quicker. Crazy. Crazy! Feels more twitchy in a good way. It is an RS. Okay. Oh my god, this is spectacular! 9,000 RPM then. Let her scream. Oh yeah. Yep. Yep. How does that feel so much quicker than mine? I feel like the back wants to let loose more as well than mine. Yep. Oh my god. Oh my word. I can't put this into words. Oh, I'm getting shivers up my body. Insane. Insane. I'm speechless. Holy moly. God, that comes to life. I don't know what to say. Well, I want to transfer my feelings to you rather than words, you know? I wish you could feel this. It dances, that's it. It feels more ballerina. It's really just dancing over the bumps and around the corners in a very race car kind of way, because this is what it was made for, right? For the track in the end. I have DRS. More aggressive on the gear changes too? Could be. I was actually worried, since having my GT3, where do I go next? Where would I go next? Because I feel like it's really good to have this next goal to work towards, you know, to motivate you to work harder and put the hours in and work smarter. And I thought, what would I do after my GT3? Now I know. I know exactly what would be the next step. So my GT3 is louder than this. I've got the titanium exhaust on, but I think this is possibly slightly louder than the stock 992 GT3. I think they've done something there. I think, I'm not sure. Very close. Oh, Porsche, how do you keep doing this? It's not normal. Oh, it puts you back in your seat. Even more grip, more downforce. Where does it end? I don't know. Another 9,000 RPM. Yeah, I feel more of a kick. Oh, squirrel, move squirrel. Move squirrel. Feels more of a punch in the gear changes. Interesting. It's interesting how much I now want one of these. Oh my word. I'm driving a race car on the road. In reality, mine suits me better for now, because one issue with this car is, of course, you lose the trunk space. So no front trunk, no space in the back because it's got a cage. So nowhere to put luggage unless you're by yourself, 2 people up doing a road trip. You can't. There's no space for luggage. So for me, as someone who wants to really use my car, which I know I haven't much till now, but be patient, I will. I want to do road trips with it. I want to do, you know, I have all my filming equipment. I need luggage space. So this is so track focused. Another little exhaust test. It feels like it's going to take off. Not surprising with that rear wing. Just mental. Oh, love it, love it, love it. Want one badly. Oh, bit of air then.